everyone, and welcome to the Bronzer Show! Didn't I tell you I hate that theme song? Now? Oh, right. You're the new narrator. Well, hello, everyone, and like I said before, we have a substitute for a narrator, because I beat the last guy up. So, yeah. Anyway, today we'll be having Chatot on the show. Get out here, Chatot! What's taking him so long? Oh, there he is. So, hi, Chatot.
Hello.
So, what do you do all day?
I'm a metronome.
Okay.
I help people sing by keeping them on tempo.
Okay.
Tock, tick, tock. And I use it as a weapon.
That doesn't sound good.
I drive people nuts.
That's also not very good.
I drive them nuts by tick-tocking in their heads. It goes through their mind. I brainwash people.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm allergic to cows.
Okay, but how do you brainwash people?
Like so. Tick, tock, tick, tock.
Okay, quit it, would you?
Tick,
Stop it!
tick,
Stop it!
tick, tock, tick,
This is killer!
tick, tock, tick,
Oh, whatever.
tick, tock, tick,
Did I mention it's not working?
tock. It's not
I don't have a brain, I'm just a piece of metal, I'm hollow.
good.
Yeah.
I could, what can I do?
Can't you kill people, I hear?
No. That was my brother.
Oh.
But he moved all the way to Australia.
Aren't you the one who was starring on...
Yes, Spoken on Boringness, yes. I'm the leader, actually.
I thought you could kill someone on that. Right?
Oh yeah, that was me, not my brother. My brother moved to Australia because I was driving him crazy.
Did you brainwash him and send him to Australia?
That's classified information.
I'll take that as a yes.
Let's change the subject. Okay. I sing to my own metronome.
Okay, but we're sort of out of time here, so...
No, I like the spotlight. One little song.
We're sort of out of time.
One little song.
Fine.
Okay, what song should I sing? I'll sing the intro, Shock to the Heart.
You do realize it's called You Give Love a Bad Name.
I know.
Well, then sing it.
Okay. Shot through the heart, and you're to blame, darling. You give love a bad name.
I didn't. Oh, whatever.
An angel smile is what you sell. You promised me heaven to put me through. That was not necessary, Bronzer.
Well, you were about to swear. I could tell that.
Chains of love got a hold on me. When passion's a prison, you cannot break free. Whoa, you're a loaded gun. Do, 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 do. Whoa, there's nowhere to run. No one can save me, the damage is done. Shot through the heart, and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. All together now. Shot through the heart, and you're... I said all together now, Bronzer.
I don't want to. Because we're sort of out of time, so see you next time on The Bronzer Show.
Bye-bye.
Chatot?
Yeah? You can go now.
Okay. I already told you, I'm hollow, I don't have a brain.
Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. Bye-bye.